Why? Everybody wants money. Money, money, money. Energy, money. Look at where I am. Yes, downtown LA. That's right. Where the money is and where people work. They work here. It is a business district. Very much business. A lot. And people work all the time. I'm talking to you about work. My name is Kelly Watkins, and I want to talk to people and you about work. How important is work? Everybody wants money. They want to be rich. Well, how do you do it? You have to work, and you have to know about work. So that is what I'm talking about, and giving free information. And I want you to get this book about work and how to solve problems with work and having to do with work. Problems of work. The problems of work. This is the best book. We spend 70% of our lives working. Yeah. So you have to know how to problems at work. So get this book. It's got all kinds of information, all kinds of awesome information, and look at these awesome buildings. This is the business district. This is where people spend their lives working. And I wanted to tell you about what I offer. I offer free classes so that you can learn how to solve your problems at work. Everyone, they want money and give me money. But look, you have to exchange. That is a big difference. You can't just be a vacuum of taking. You have to give. And that is not only what this book is talking about and the free classes, but there's so much information about how you can be successful in working. Yeah, you can be successful in working. Look at that. Yeah, that is awesome. So there are so many solutions. Like, people get confused at work. There's so much that overwhelms people while they're working at any job. It doesn't have to be, office jobs. It can be any job that you learn. These classes on my site and the solutions, really real solutions for any kind of situation you have. Bad control where people are telling you this and that and you don't know what to do first, and just practical solutions that you can learn. There's how to set up an organization, how to set up your own business. This is what I am offering you. This is free classes, free online classes. And I want you to get this book also and start getting more and more success under you. This is what you need. These classes, this information about work, how to solve problems at work, how to get more successful at work, how, it's not just luck. More knowledge you have, the better off you are. So that is what you can learn here. That's what I'm talking about. And I want to share with you because it has gotten me where I need to go. All this knowledge is just going to put you higher and higher, and you're going to go up and up. Knowledge is the key. Every successful person has said that knowledge and reading books is the key to success in work, in life. So I am offering this to you. I want you to be successful. I want you to do your best. I want everyone to not just be begging and be like, give me this, and send me a phone and send me and I need this and I need that. No, you need to work and contribute and know how to contribute so that you can be successful in life. And you don't have to beg. You will not have to beg. You, with this knowledge and free classes and everything I offer on all of my sites, not just KnowTheTruthAboutYou.com, but all of my sites offer free classes and stuff to move you ahead in life, because knowledge is the answer. Really, success comes from knowledge in how to handle people, how to handle your work, how to handle everyday life. What is life made of? This is all answered in the classes and free stuff that I give. So I want you to go to, AwesomeLifeForYou.com. That's another website I have. And I'm on Facebook, Awesome Life for You. On Facebook, I have KnowTheTruthAboutYou.com. That's my other that's my other website. And then I have Kelly Quality Estates, which is about work and how you can do better at work. And so I'm here in the business district of LA, and my name is Kelly Watkins, and I am offering you free knowledge. I want you, there's videos you can see, there's free online classes. You can get this book, Problems of Work book. I am offering it to you. The world needs people that contribute. The world needs that. They don't need people that are taking all the time, that are sitting there taking and begging and looking for a free handout. No, that just makes you weak. You need to contribute. Everyone needs to contribute and give instead of take. And that way the world would be so much better. We would have just a magnificent world if we gave instead of being a vacuum and sucking and pulling and not contributing anything. There's exchange. People need to know levels of exchange, and I offer that. I give you solutions. That is what I give you. Everything. I want you to get this knowledge. I will, that's why I'm making this video. And so really, find me. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, Watkins Wonderful World. I just offer you all this data so that you will be successful in life. And my husband and I, apply this. I am successful. I am a house manager. I have a great job. It's wonderful. I do really well in life. So does my husband. And we want that for you. And that's why we give you this knowledge. And we give you all the information that I possibly can so that you can make it. And you can be as big and successful and do as good as all these people that work here in the United States. I offer this all over the world. This is in many, many languages also. It's not just in English. So, I'm here today offering any help. Contact me any way you want, and I will get you going, because it's, life is too short to be wanting to beg and wanting to, just live at a low level. You got to raise yourself up. That's what I did. I started from the bottom. I didn't know what I was going to do with my life, and I found solutions, and I just worked my way up with all this knowledge. And there's knowledge on business, on how to grow a business, how to keep statistics so that you will keep rising. You gotta know how to manage, and that goes for life too. It applies to your life. Say you learn something for business, you can still apply it to your life. Like a mom, she needs to know how to run a family. and it can be organized, and you can learn organization in how to organize and keep things running and keep things going really smoothly. So that's what I offer you. I want you to do really well in life. So I am just giving you all I can so that you will rise to the top. Yeah, just like that. So please take advantage and look at, all that I offer on all my websites, and share this. Please share this book, and share this knowledge and free classes, and get yourself going. Okay? Yeah. Anything else I would offer you. Here's my view. I love that building. Okay, well, that's what I have for you. I just want you to get the book, sign up for free classes, share this knowledge, get tons of knowledge, grow, expand, rise up, and be successful. That's all I want for you. That is it. And the world, you would be contributing and making the world better. If you improve yourself, you are making the world better. So please take advantage of that. Okay, thanks for watching. And I think I will, give you all the information, list it all, whatever, you can find me. Awesome Life for You, KellyQualityEstates.com, AwesomeLifeForYou.com, KnowTheTruthAboutYou.com. I'm on Facebook, all of those places. You can find the free information. Okay, well, this is my scene. This is where I'm at. And these big, tall buildings. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Okay, this is Kelly Watkins in LA, helping you any way I can. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon, hopefully.